G'day! In today's video I'm having a look at a very heavily damaged iPhone 11 Pro to see if I can get this to power up once more to hopefully retrieve some files from it. As we can see here, we're just completely smashed in here with a huge crater. Apparently it was getting used as a torch under a car and a hammer got dropped. And a hammer did take out a phone. I'm going to be not too sure, not too certain what I will be able to do, but I'm hoping that potentially a battery change and a different screen being connected up, I may be able to revive it enough to be able to get information off it. I'm not having too much confidence as the mainboard does typically run around here. Usually, yeah. And so the SIM card's normally down here, but no, that is a different model. We're on here, we're at the midway point. So I'm curious to see what we will find when we open it up. Always handy with the iPhone or with damaged phones to have another spare one available that you can use for parts. Luckily I've got this one here that I do know does power on. So I can at least use the other phone to charge a battery and then put it in here with a replacement display and see if I can get it to power. Just got myself a bit of a shard of glass there, which is quite a rare occurrence. So I've had it sitting on the blue heat pad here for about 5 minutes. That is helping, making it easier to open the phone up to see what we can see. There we go. That out of the way. As we can see down here, looks like the bit of the battery and the loudspeaker here has taken the majority of that impact. So from a repair standpoint, that is reasonably promising actually. So to begin with, I'm going to have to take off this shield and this shield up here to be able to remove the display, disconnect the battery, and then I just simply want to connect up the new screen to it and stick it on power and see what I get from there. If we're lucky, it may just wake up the phone from there. If not, I'll proceed a little bit further. Typically I go here and disconnect here. There is also another connection down the bottom. But with that one up here disconnected, I should be pretty alright. So now I'll take these ones out. All these screws are of the same length and size. It doesn't matter if you mix them all up. There we go. And this one here. There we go. Losing the screws over the side there. So remove the shield out of the way. Disconnect this one. Disconnect this one. And this one. From there I can remove that. I'm still getting little bits of glass bit into me, which is never fun. So best to remove them. Put that back down here. Now, that there. I want to just connect this up. So I'm leaving the front facing earpiece speaker and sensors off. As if I just want to see if this will simply start. And then after that I want to see if it will accept charge. Connected, connected, connected. Stop, hit power, and will anything happen here? Bingo. I'm going to put this on charge and I'll see how we go. But that is a very promising sign saying that it's completely flat. I'm going to put it on charge, leave it for a little bit and see if we power up from there. So right now I still had dramas charging it with the lightning port, but charging it seems to be going via wireless. I'm just using a 20 watt Amazon wireless charger, and at the moment currently getting around 0.7 amps of power. Granted, some of that will be power loss because it's converting it to wireless, but that should be an okay amount of charge. Pressing the power button on the phone, still says we're flat. But I'm just going to leave this on here for a bit, and hopefully we will awaken. So I've charged in around 300 milliamps into the battery, and if we go power button, we're about 8% charged. So from here, with the unlock code, I should be able to get this information back for the customer. Now also checking, we are charging via USB. So with this phone in particular, either I can offer to retrieve the data for the customer, I can offer to replace the screen, granted potentially replacing the screen, ignoring the loudspeaker and the obvious damage, we may be able to actually keep using the phone. So I'll see what the customer thinks, but from here I'm going to end the video, as with a bit of luck, a new screen, a wireless charger, and a few bits of tools and knowledge, I will be able to retrieve this customer's information or fix their phone for them. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.